On the streets of Shanghai, people always seem to be rushing. However, a shoe repair booth near Longchang Road make a stop. This is shoemaker Mr. G, 62 years old. When he was a teenager, he learned this craft from his teacher in his hometown, Baoying in Jiangsu province. 20 years ago, he bought a one-way ticket and came to Shanghai. He's been in the same business till today. Nowadays, it is not easy to find a shoe repairer on the streets of Shanghai. What surprises us even more is that this craftsman has a disability. The lost right leg not only make it difficult for Mr. G to make a living, but also makes him alone until now. We have never experienced the pressure of survival and emotional loneliness that Mr. G endures. It's even hard to imagine. But these seem to have made him independent and strong. Facing destiny's unfairness and ups and downs in life, some people complain, some give up, hope more can carry on stubbornly and firmly, just like Mr. G.